The Supreme Court is moving more quickly this term, issuing decisions at a pace not seen in recent years. By mid-January, the justices had released 7 opinions in argued cases, about 12.5% of the court's anticipated output, according to data from SCOTUSblog. That marks a sharp increase compared to the prior 2 terms, when fewer than 5% of cases had been decided by the same point in the calendar. Only 2 decisions were issued between October and January during the 2023-24 term, and just 1 during the following term, the outlet reported. SCOTUSblog described the current term shift as unusual. Historically, the court often resolved a larger share of its docket earlier in the term. From the 2001 term through 2015-16, between 15% and 30% of decisions were issued from October through January. In recent years, however, the justices have tended to hold most rulings until late June, compressing major decisions into the final weeks before recess. It remains unclear whether the uptick in early rulings will continue through the end of the term. Among the most closely watched cases still pending is a challenge to President Donald Trump's authority to impose tariffs through executive orders issued in 2025. Small businesses in several states argue that Trump improperly invoked emergency powers to levy import taxes on goods from nearly every country. The dispute centers on the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEEPA, a 1977 law permitting the president to deal with any unusual and extraordinary threat, which has its source in whole or substantial part outside the United States, to the national security, foreign policy, or economy of the United States, if the president declares a national emergency with respect to such threat. Trump maintains the law authorizes his reciprocal tariff orders. A ruling upholding the policy could significantly broaden presidential control over trade. Another high-profile case, Trump v. Cook, involves Trump's attempt to remove Federal Reserve Governor Lisa Cook last August. Under the Federal Reserve Act, board members serve staggered 14-year terms and may be removed only for cause. Trump has alleged that Cook committed mortgage fraud, an accusation she denies,